Hey, so you're new to Card and want to create your first one-page website? No worries. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to get started, customize your site, and publish it without any hassle. First, go to card.co and sign up for a free account, or log in if you already have one. Free accounts are great to start, but Pro unlocks advanced features like custom domains, forms, and more design options. Click New Site on your dashboard. You can either pick a template or start with a blank page. Templates make it easier for beginners because most sections are already structured. Click on any element to edit text, add your own images, or change headings. This is how you make the website truly yours. Add buttons or links to direct visitors to other pages, products, or social media. You can choose whether they open in the same tab or a new one. If you want to collect emails, feedback, or any information from visitors, add a form. Connect it to an email service or download the responses, adjust colors, fonts, spacing, and backgrounds to match your style. Even small tweaks can make your site look professional. Click Preview to see how your site looks on desktop and mobile. Make adjustments if something doesn't look right. When you're happy with your website, click Publish. Free users can use a card.co subdomain, while pro users can connect their custom domain for a more professional look. Copy your site link and share it on social media, email signatures, or anywhere your audience is. Card sites load fast and look great on any device. You can edit your site anytime, add new sections, update content, or improve design. Keeping your site fresh makes it more engaging for visitors.